Hey there, all you sexy YouTube nail mother lovers. Cadence here, and welcome back to Claws by Cadence. Today, as requested and as promised, I am going to talk you very quickly through an Easter Bunny cartoon tutorial. I made it quick because it's just a bit of fun. And happy Easter! Let's get started! Alright, we are doing a single long stiletto. I think these are XXXL stilettos. And the background is going to be Glowing My Way. It is a gel polish by Madame Glam. This is in that Easter limited edition Easter egg hit thing, and it is absolutely awesome. Really love this polish. It has a great effect. Get that one. Don't get last season's. I've already crapped on about that last video, haven't I? I have got Easter trivia for you. Australia doesn't have an Easter bunny. Well, to be clear, we do have an Easter bunny, but we also have an Easter bilby. Now, a bilby is a native Australian animal. He has large ears. I'll find a picture and put him up on the screen here somewhere. They're also known as the rabbit-eared bandicoot because they got some big-ass ears and they kind of look like a little rat possum-looking thing. But we will still get Easter eggs delivered even if there's no rabbit because of the Easter bilby. And I say if there's no rabbit because in Queensland in Australia, rabbits are banned as pets. You cannot have a rabbit as a pet. In Queensland, it is considered a pest. Now, I have put a matte top coat on this polish and I love it, hence the love hearts. I am removing whatever sticky layer may be left at the end of the curing process for the matte top coat. Yes, it has one. Matte top coat's a weird entity, and now I am outlining the bunny in the dark brown color that you saw me decant. I wanted the bunny to be really cartoony and round like a googie egg. So the bunny himself has got a round body, his feet are big and floppy and are kind of within the body so that it keeps that eggy shape. His hands are all tucked up into his body so you don't see the front of his palms or his paws. That's his hands actually tucked up inside the back of his body. Quicker way to colour him in would be to use a watercolour brush or an applicator brush simply because there's more on the brush, but I was just too lazy and not really thinking about it at the time, if I'm perfectly honest, and I like to play around and be precise with things. So take a dotting tool, 3 dots, and with the dotting tool extend the line down and you got some cute little feet. With his ears, I've done the outline in the dark pink and the inside in the light pink, and then I just took the brush and kind of squished it around a bit so that it gave the illusion of a little bit of fluff. I tell you what, my Easter bunny or my Easter bilby had better bring me some cookies, because I'm going to sit there all day tomorrow, which is Easter Sunday, and I'm gonna eat chocolate until I'm sick, and I don't even give a care. Leave me a note down in the comments. What are you guys doing for Easter? Do you do anything at all for Easter? Has anyone got any awesome nail sets on for Easter? That's what we all want to know, really. So what you saw me do there, back to the nails, what you saw me do there was mix a bit of the black with the brown to give a darker brown. I could have just gone to the cupboard and gotten a darker brown, but hey, I didn't. Pink spot for his nose, and lighter pink on the inside, white spots for his eyes, and just drag it up to make them longer. Nothing special. Black dots to bring him to life, full of flicks for his whiskers, and you got a bunny rabbit. What I am applying here is a rubber base. Rubber base. And that is to give him his lensing effect, but also because he has got a few layers built up on top of him. So the pink ear is on top of the brown, the pink nose is on top of the brown body, and the teeth are on top of that as well. So he has dimension with the rubber base. It helps to even out that dimension and stops the fucking TBT, because I hate dust everywhere. So, if you enjoyed your Easter Bunny, please take a quick moment to like this video and subscribe to this channel. There is much, much, much more to come in our future episodes. I've applied a, shiny top coat, so it is nice and shiny. The brown gel polish that I used for the bunny has got a sparkle in it, so as you can see, little Thumper, he's all sparkly and it looks fantabulous. Oh my goodness, he's so shiny. Oh, he's very cute. I'm very happy with him. Well, the person that requested this, I won't name names unless you guys who leave messages are happy for me to name names, but I was requested to do some bling Easter nails, which you got. I was requested to do an Easter bunny, which we're looking at now, and I've also been requested to do some wedding nails, which I will get to. I've worked on one set with a brush comparison that I've not ever done before, so we'll see how that goes in the next video, so stay tuned for that. In about a week, if I come up with an idea for a midweek quickie, then I'll do one of those as well, but I don't have any ideas yet, so if you guys do, send them on through and we can do some more midweek quickies together. And until then, happy Easter everyone. I hope you spend your time with loving friends and family. Be safe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!